here we are, driving through Kentucky to Asheville, North Carolina, and here I am, clean shaven, no beard, kind of definitely missing it, rocking my anti-gravity sunglasses. Actually, I just broke them in the Grand Canyon, but yeah, here's Michael. He's gonna be hiking part of the trail with me, just the first 2 weeks. But we're heading down to North Carolina to meet up with Lindsay, and then she's gonna take us to the trailhead. We got a lot of Cheez-Its to eat here. Fatten up.
Hey Stray fans, we're just pulling into Asheville now, and Danny's got his theme song going.
Danny.
It's been a long drive.
Oh, the gang's back together.
Hey, Stray fans.
Here we are at Lindsay's getting ready. Michael, you all packed?
My bag's been packed for weeks now, so I'm good to go.
Lindsay, you ready?
Yes, I am ready to drop you off at the trailhead and then leave.
Here's everything I'm going to be taking. Looks like got some trail mix, electronics, a lot of Cliff Bars, toiletries, rope. My friend gave me a selfie stick, fuel, jet boil, all my sleeping stuff, my tent, freeze-dried meals, some water filtration, and hopefully I'm not forgetting everything.
Danny, how's it going?
I think I'm ready. Oh, one more thing. Come on, Yo-Yo. Let's get you in there.
Danny, walk us through your plan for pooping on the trail.
Well, someone gave me a nice... Ouch!
You just got bit, didn't you?
Someone gave me a little shovel so I can dig a little cat hole, as they call it. And
Do they call it that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Have you tried it?
Yeah, I don't call it a cat hole though.
What do you call it, a Lindsay hole?
Just a hole.
Any other questions?
So how far off the trail do you feel like you'll want to go to poop?
200 feet is the...
Perfect.
Is it yards?
Walk the Stray fans through a day of eating on the trail for you.
Okay.
What are you going to start with in the morning?
I'm going to go with Cliff Bars, and then I have trail mix here, and for dinner I'll just grab one of these, freeze-dried.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Danny, it's the night before you're about to start your Appalachian Trail Thru-Hike. Tell the Stray fans, how are you feeling?
I am feeling great. Hungry, ready for my last beer tonight.
And so how should the Stray fans keep up with your travels if they're interested?
You should definitely like my Facebook page, A Stray Life, because all the blog updates will be on the Facebook page, and subscribe to this YouTube channel because hopefully I'll have lots more videos.
Michael, did you already like the page?
Actually I have not.
Well, you better get on that. All right, best of luck, Danny.
Thanks.